Adequate, meaning satisfactory or acceptable in quality or quantity. Synonyms: sufficient, enough, satisfactory. Sentence: the food provided was adequate for the entire team. Withdrawal, meaning the action of withdrawing something. Synonyms: removal, retreat, detachment. Sentence: she made a withdrawal of $200 from her bank account. Consistency, meaning conformity in the application of something, typically that which is necessary for the sake of logic, accuracy, or fairness. Synonyms: uniformity, steadiness, regularity. Sentence: her consistency in practice led to her becoming a top athlete. Dive, meaning to plunge headfirst into water. Synonyms: plunge, leap, jump. Sentence: he took a deep breath and prepared to dive into the pool. Parliament, meaning the highest legislature, consisting of the sovereign, the House of Lords, and the House of Commons. Synonyms: legislature, assembly, Congress. Sentence: the new law was debated in Parliament before being passed. Hero, meaning a person who is admired for their courage, outstanding achievements, or noble qualities. Synonyms: champion, savior, idol. Sentence: the firefighter was hailed as a hero for rescuing the child from the burning building. Possession, meaning the state of having, owning, or controlling something. Synonyms: ownership, control, custody. Sentence: he was in possession of the stolen goods when the police arrested him. Migration, meaning seasonal movement of animals from one region to another. Synonyms: relocation, exodus, movement. Sentence: the migration of birds to warmer regions is a fascinating phenomenon. Thin, meaning having little or too little flesh or fat on the body. Synonyms: slim, slender, lean. Sentence: the thin fabric was perfect for the hot summer day. Chocolate, meaning a food preparation in the form of a paste or solid block made from roasted and ground cacao seeds. Synonyms: cocoa, confection, sweet. Sentence: she couldn't resist the temptation of a piece of dark chocolate. Country. Meaning: a nation with its own government, occupying a particular territory. Synonyms: nation, state, land. Sentence: France is a beautiful country with a rich history. Dedication. Meaning: the quality of being dedicated or committed to a task or purpose. Synonyms: commitment, devotion, loyalty. Sentence: her dedication to her work earned her numerous awards. Wildlife. Meaning: wild animals collectively, the native fauna, and sometimes flora, of a region. Synonyms: fauna, animals, nature. Sentence: the park is home to a wide variety of wildlife. Uniform. Meaning: the distinctive clothing worn by members of the same organization or body, or by children attending certain schools. Synonyms: outfit, attire, dress. Sentence: the students wore their school uniform with pride. Commentator. Meaning: a person who comments on events, especially as a profession. Synonyms: analyst, pundit, reporter. Sentence: the commentator provided insightful analysis during the football match. Consideration. Meaning: careful thought, typically over a period of time. Synonyms: thoughtfulness, reflection, deliberation. Sentence: after much consideration, she decided to accept the job offer. Expensive. Meaning: costing a lot of money. Synonyms: costly, pricey, high-priced. Sentence: the jewelry in the store was too expensive for her budget. Sit. Meaning: to rest with the body supported by the buttocks or thighs. Synonyms: perch, rest, be seated. Sentence: she asked him to sit down and relax. Deputy. Meaning: a person whose immediate superior is a senior figure within an organization and who is empowered to act as a substitute for this superior. Synonyms: assistant, second in command, substitute. Sentence: The deputy took over the responsibilities while the manager was on leave. Age, meaning the length of time that a person has lived or a thing has existed. Synonyms: years, era, period. Sentence: with age comes wisdom and experience. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.